AI is no longer the future. It's the present. It's answering questions, following up with customers, presenting products, and running businesses around the clock. And right now, there's a massive opportunity in front of everyday people. Not to build AI from scratch, not to learn coding, not to spend months setting up complicated systems, but to plug into AI that's already built, already trained, and already working. That's what makes this different. With Save Club, you don't create the automation. You leverage it. The AI tools and agents are already programmed to present the business, follow up with prospects, answer common questions, and guide people through the enrollment process. There's no tech headache, no complicated setup, no prompting or training the AI. You activate your position, you share your link. The AI goes to work. It runs 24/7. It never forgets to follow up. It never gets tired. It never misses a message. Instead of chasing prospects or learning advanced marketing skills, you're leveraging a turnkey global system powered by automation. And as your network grows, so does your residual income. This is about creating an income stream that is AI-powered. It's about using automation to create more time freedom, more income leverage, and a smarter way to build from home. Some people will simply use AI as consumers. Others will use AI to build assets and passive income. Save Club gives you access to the profitable path without having to build anything yourself. If you're ready to see how the system works and how the Save Club membership saves you money and can have you earning weekly deposits, watch the videos below. The people who win in this AI revolution are the ones leveraging smarter systems. Learn how Save Club plus AI can set you free.